Thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you for watching the advertise. Now, what do we have today? We have iPhone 7 board. The problem with this one, it's water damaged. Yeah. So let's have a look. Yeah. We can see the sticker is red. So obviously we have a water damage job. The phone is not coming on, it's not charging, nothing. Here is looking fine, nothing wrong. Here it's okay. On this side we have some water damage. Yeah, you can see just a bit there. But on the back, look on the back. Here is a lot. Yeah. Going here is fine. That's good because here we have the power management chip. Here we have again some water damage. Yeah, you can see. And yeah, here a little bit. But nothing but cannot be cleaned. Yeah. But the main problem is it's somewhere it's a short. Yeah, that's the main issue. We checked the board before we took the board out. And maybe you think I'm making up these videos, but I'm not. Actually, these kind of on the water damage job, the most probable fault it's a shorted capacitor. Yeah, that's always happen. Always happen. On our case, let's take the multimeter. Let's check. Let's check the multimeter. Let's check the board for sure. Multimeter, diode mode, yeah, or ohms. So what do you want? Ohms. Okay, you want ohms. So we can see actually if we have a short, something like that, yeah. Plus and minus, yeah, plus and minus. And there's no short. Like 10 kilo ohms. And on the other way, like 20 kilo ohms, that's not short. So you understand how do you have to check a board? With a multimeter you can't check anything because the board has a different resistance when it's under voltage. Yeah, so we'll take the power supply. Let's set up the power supply. Let's say 4.3, around 2 amps. Ground, again, I don't know which is ground. I always forget the ground. I always forget which is ground and which is plus. Yeah. So you have two big pins on the battery. One is plus, one is minus, but I don't know which. So I'll try this first. You see, that's the thing. When you use the ground from here, doesn't matter if you go wrong. Doesn't matter. Yeah, so I can use here, nothing can get burned. But if you try minus and plus on the battery connector and you use them on the other side, things can go wrong. Yeah. So let's go under the microscope. I think it's better. That's all. That's why always I'm using the ground from the ground. So here, touching here, we have like, let's use a limit on the power supply. So the current is limited to 2 amps. And you can see it's a short. It's a very like the resistance is like 0 because look at the voltage. Yeah, 0.03. Okay, so this is impossible to be our plus, so should be ground. So if this is ground, check this one. Short, but the voltage is 2.1 volts. Yeah, so that means this pin has a little bit higher resistance compared with the other one. So obviously that's the ground and this is one is the plus. Yeah, that's how you check the things. So we have a short, we don't know where. I haven't opened this one, so I have no idea. Yeah, I have no idea. So we will open together and we will have a look. The problem is I didn't found different faults when it's a water damage. Let's say I don't know, a burn power management. I don't know. No, no, no. Always it's related with the power rails. Yeah, always when it's a water damage. So we'll take out this shield and we will check together. We can check together to see what we have here. Wow, I can't see any issue here. So it was the most damage area, but I can't see anything. So actually here is not damaged. Just to be sure, I will take this shield out. And here is the same. Okay, you know what, let's clean the board first. Let's clean it. And we'll see after. You see, that's a case when actually the board is not very damaged. But are there, trust me, there are like boards like proper damaged. Like proper damaged. Everything is rusty inside, even the trucks. Yeah, seems to be fine. Let's have a look one more time. Let's check for short one more time. So the damaged area from here is gone. It's nice now. Okay, that's good. The damage area from here, it's okay, not a problem. Here, fine. Here it's a little bit more. Because many people run, you know, when they hear about water damage jobs, but it's not necessary to be like very bad. Can be very bad, but not always. Okay, let's check with again. Ground, we have a screw here. Okay, now we know the plus is here, and it's still short, you can see. Now, according with the BoardView software, yeah. BoardView. Not BoardView, sorry, the phone board software. Let me switch on desktop. Phones, iPhone. By the way, this is a free software. So all what you have to do is to follow the plus, because the minus is everywhere, is ground. So just take your mind out from the ground and follow the plus. Now where the plus is going, because somewhere it's a bridge between plus and ground, but it's not near, because we have some resistance compared with the ground, yeah? So that's ground, everything gray here is ground, so that's plus. So the plus is going here on a few small components, and I don't think it's here, it's our problem. We have two test points here. Okay, let's go on the other side of the board and see. This is the other side of the board, and you can see here where the plus is going. So it's going only here. Here we have a capacitor, and here. This is the same like with the first MOSFET from the laptop. This is a MOSFET. This is the input. Those pins are the output, and probably that's the gate. Yeah. So you can see on the input, where do we have input? We have here on this one, and on the other chip, which I think is Tigris. Yeah. I think. SN2400. It's on many iPhones, this chip. So either is this short, but I don't believe, because the resistance is too high. So the short is not near, or the short is after this one, on the output of this one, and that can explain the resistance. So after this one, on the output of this one, is the main VCC power rail. Yeah. So all these red dots, they are connected with invisible wires to here. Yeah. It's like a wire here, a wire here. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Okay. So yeah, on that way you have to see this board. So each red point is connected here. Yeah, here. Each red point is connected here. So obviously you have a shorted component. Well, let's see first. Let's check on this capacitor, which is red, that means it's connected with this one. Let's see if on this capacitor we have like perfect short to ground, because right now we checked here and has like 2 volts was on the power supply, so here should be even lower if the short is here. So I'll check on this capacitor, which is next to this square thingy. Yeah. So let's see together. So that's the one, and we have the next capacitor, which I said. Let's check with the power supply same, because even with the multimeter it will give you probably 0. Yeah, let's check together with the multimeter. Yeah, with the multimeter here and here we have 1.4 kilo ohms. Okay, that's new. That's new. So here 1.4 kilo ohms tell me nothing, absolutely nothing. So what I will do, I'll take the power supply and I will check with the power supply. Power supply will tell me more. And plus here in the same story, 2 volts. Okay, this is new. So our short is not on our short is not here. So our short is not on this line, it is on something which is related straight with this line. So on some component which is not capacitor, not on this line, not on this one. This is new one. I didn't found this fault before. Usually all the faults are on this main VCC line. So I guess it's new. So it's something which is related with this VCC line. Hi, hi. Okay. It's manual girlfriend, yeah. Um, I can't do video anymore. Just joking. Okay, so we have to all what we have to check is to have we have to check for semiconductors. Yeah. So if we don't have a short here, should be after a semiconductor. Semiconductor, we have this chip. Yeah. You can see this one. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah. What do we have? We have this, and the bad the bad part. We have a lot. We have here the power management chip. Yeah. We have those caps here. Here was some water damage. Yeah. We have the Wi-Fi chip, and we have a lot. Even on the other side we have. Let me check. Yeah. You remember we found the fault last time here, but it's not a capacitor. Again, it's not a capacitor. We have this chip. Yeah. We have this one, which is a RF amplifier. So this time is quite tricky. The fault is tricky. So what I will try to do, like usual, because what you can do, just be honest and what you can do. You cannot remove all these components to find the fault, because the logicals, yeah, one is shorted, or a short is after one of these components which is straight related with this power line. You cannot remove them all, so you have to use current to create you know. But this is new. This is, I haven't found. Usually all the faults are on this VCC main. I think that's the name. So what I will do, I will come with my power supply exactly on this chip, on this capacitor, and I will see what is getting. Something should get hot, but I don't. It's not related with this power line. Okay, but this is new. This is new. I swear. Yeah, it's completely new. I didn't found this fault before. Yeah, okay, I can't see. So we need the microscope. Yeah, so let's check together. Ground disconnected, plus. And I will try. That's that's the moment when a thermal camera it's helping. It's helping you, but we don't have a thermal camera. So I have to use my finger as a thermal camera. Okay, something is getting hot there. That was easy. That was quick. That was quick. Something is smoking here. So check here, yeah? So what do you think is the problem? One more time. Look of that capacitor. According with the schematic, let's see with the schematics how is related with our VCC main. Yeah. So according with the schematic, it's this one. And you see, this is not connected with our main VCC power line. It's connected with different things. What's this? This is a 33 ohm resistor. It's not that one. With these capacitors, with this chip. So probably this chip, it's our bridge. Our bridge. This is the light booster. Backlight, yeah. Yeah, looks like it's our light booster. But no. Yeah, no. It's not with the chip. It's with this diode. You know the Schottky diode? This one. This diode on this pin. It's not. Okay. I'm wrong. So it's not connected with the main VCC power line. Okay, so should be, must be. No, this one. This one is the one. This. It's not. Oh. Okay, on this case, only chip can be connected to our VCC main power line. But we'll see now. Let's see now. On which pin? With this one. You can see? So this pin, it is related with the main VCC power line. And on the other side, we have our here is connected with the capacitor. So this is our link. Yeah, that's the way how the voltage comes from the main VCC power line to this capacitor. Okay. Let me check on the other side. Let's see where it's going. It's not going to the display connector. Okay, so no, it's not. I have no idea what this capacitor is doing, but if I remember, here is something, this capacitor on the backlight, but maybe not. It's not saying what it's doing. Who knows? You know, it's not even point spending time to find out exactly why it's not working. What was wrong with that capacitor? Where it's going? No. Let's fix it. Let's just fix it. Let's fix it. So yeah, probably this capacitor died because of the water damage. Now if I'll use the hot air here, possible the things can go wrong with this rubber thing. You know, you can make a pop and all the solder all goes through this plastic thingy. All I want to remove that cap. I don't think I can do it. I have to use hot air. So I don't want to take a risk, an unnecessary risk, using the hot air. If I believe I have to use the hot air here. Okay, let's use it. Let's use it. Especially on the water damage job. Playing with hot air It's kind of risky because when the components and tracks and everything which is metal get hot, will get bigger. Get cold, go smaller, and a lot of cracks. It will happen on the solders. What can I say? Let's try quickly and remove that cap. Quickly, like quick. The nozzle is too big and everything will explode here. You will see. Yeah?
Do we need anything from the warehouse? Ask.
No. Okay, the capacitor is removed. That's fantastic. Let's check the board for short. Same here. On those pins, yeah. Minus, plus. Ground. Plus, and it's no short. You can see ground. Plus, no short. Let's check to see if the board is working.
J6 back in.
Give me 1 second to take the.
I don't think I have J6.
So we can see on the phone where was the water damage. Yeah. Yeah, here. You can see. My colleague will clean it. It will make the iPhone nice. But the question is, we have a working iPhone? We should have. Because the fault was clear. We should have. Let me connect the screen. $1.3 is charging. But I can't see any picture on the screen. So yeah, we can have like a dead screen.
Don't even look in there. You're not gonna find. Sorry.
Let's try again. Remove the battery. For picture. If not, we'll try a different screen. Oh yeah, it is picture. You can't see the picture, but it's there. The battery sign on the screen. Guys, the buttons are not connected. Okay. You can see the battery sign, you can't see. Don't worry, we can wait to see if the phone is on. But from my point, it's working fine. 1.4 amps. It's perfect. So that's how you fix the boards. That's the way how you fix the boards. It's not hard. And you can see you are not using schematics. I don't know schematics of the iPhone, but just because you have this program, which is It's free and nice. Phone board. You can check on Google. You can follow the components and can figure it out what the components are doing, where the trucks are going. It's very helpful. Very helpful. Mhm. We have to wait for the battery. Battery is dead, but with 1.4 amps will be quick, will be on. Let's just wait. Meanwhile, I love reading comments on the channel. So many nice people there. And I did see some comments. By the way, a lot of people asking about tools. What tools they should buy if they want to start. I have to make a video because I seen a lot of questions like that. What tools? Okay. It has to come to that video. Probably tomorrow. Probably tomorrow if I have time. Many nice comments. No, probably I can say this community is fantastic. I'm happy to have you here, guys. What's a comment? I'm looking for a special comment. I'm looking for a special one. But I don't know sure on which video. Yeah, the phone is on. Okay, let me sign in. Maybe I can find it. Maybe I can find it. But I don't even know what password. Okay. So the phone is on. Let's connect the sensor because I can't even log in. Two steps verification. I can't log in on my YouTube channel. That's crazy. Open the Google app. Google app. Okay, Google app. Yes, I'm trying to sign in. Sign in approved. Okay, finally. 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 Yeah, Tuesday, by the way. Then I will start working from tomorrow again. Which are so many comments there. It's incredible. And I have to say thank you, you know. Just be patient. Just give me a moment. Give me a moment. I have to find that comment. I have to find it. I have to. Of course, there are many comments like that. I can't scroll more on the comments. That's crazy. They changed the YouTube. They changed the interface, and now it's on beta version, which I don't know how to work with. On the old version, look, I have a load more comments. I wish like on one video to read all the comments. Just to do a video only reading the comments. Because you'll think this channel are only beginners. No, actually, on this channel are a lot better people than me on the comments. Yeah. Hmm. And you cannot mark a comment. If you see like a comment, you cannot like mark it and go back to that comment. Yeah, I found it. Yeah. It's, it's, how can I explain it? Sometimes the people get wrong the things. So it's a gentleman here called Caritinos. Anyways, saying, "Hello Sorin, I'm electronic engineer working on security systems. Your videos were an inspiration to me to give a try repairing laptops. I have an open market here in my town. Every Sunday we're able to buy faulty laptops for 5–10 euros. The result is that I have end up with several pieces and I managed to repair following your technique. Most of them with graphic cards, which made a reflowing with a awesome liquid flux and power supply issues. Some of them I donate to kids, and some I keep for myself. You are a genuine good teacher. Keep up the good work. So you understand a comment like that. So actually the man is thinking I'm the hero here. But he's so wrong, you know? Actually he didn't realize he is the hero. Yeah? So in this story he is the hero. So he learned some things, he bought some laptops, he fixed some, and some of the laptops he donate to some kids, yeah? You know what? I wish to be like him. I wish to have time and buy things, fix them, and donate them. It's he is the hero. But he didn't realize yet, but he is the hero here. Yeah, a nice comment, nice people there. Okay, so I'll stop now. Thank you for watching, and okay, it's not ready yet. Sorry, I forgot about the phone. Yeah, let me plug the top connector so we can see actually the picture better. Battery. And like him are so many comments there, people coming from nowhere, especially old people, especially, yeah. And they said we found your channel and you bring up the passion for electronics, and okay, the iPhone is disabled, but we can see it's working fine. Okay, it's charging fine, it's no issue. So the iPhone is fixed, and that's the way how you treat the water damage jobs. You start from the power, you start from the battery going to the phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Yeah, bye.